This is the Gerber Span shotgun solid state tool, model 31-002945. Now this is, one solid little piece here, but with all the different functions and things that you see here, there's just customized ability of hundreds of things to do. But I think Gerber proudly states that it is about 14 different functions that you guys can have with this. As you can see up here, you have the tool sets, and I've aligned them in order of size. That way you can see exactly. You're going to have all the tools that are available for you to use. Also too, you get 2 carbine cutters right here ready to go. So if you, on your multi-tool, if those break off, you do have 2 right here ready to go. So let's go through here. So you have the 3-inch Rex. You got three hex wrenches, size 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8. Here you're going to have the 6-piece bit tips with the bit storage. Now they have a 1/8 inch pin punch. That's on the back side here. Okay. Then back on the front, they have a choke tube wrench. And then you have, like they said, the 3 hex wrenches, wind gauge and elevation driver, all made of the 420 HC steel. Then you have your bottle opener, an integrated hammer, and a 1/4 inch standard tip bit driver. So from here, just kind of put your tool, whichever one you want to pick, into the driver there, and then you're ready to go to work with your tool. You say, oh no, that's too big, need something smaller. Take it out, get to the next size, ready to go. So like I said, y'all probably know more functions and things that y'all can do with all these different gadgets. I'm not going to sit here and try to list them all, but they do brag that there is at least 14 different customized things that you can do with this tool. And all require you right here in one little tool to fit nice and compact. This does weigh 8 ounces, a max cutting diameter of 0.75, built in USA with global materials. Overall length is 8.2. Steel type is 420 HC. Handle material is a cast aluminum with TPR molded grip. So I think you'll be well pleased and have many things get accomplished with your Gerber Span, model 31-002945.